Okay, when you're asked to map a coordinate point onto a new function, it's very similar to work you've been doing uh, with graphing sine and cosine. Okay, so first of all, let's separate out the inside and the outside of this equation. Outside of the function, that's outside of the function. That outside affects the y, and so the mapped point, I don't know from here, negative 2y, because y and f of x are the same thing, plus 7. That's what is happening with the y value. But the inside of this function is here. And we know on the inside of the function, the transformation is about doing the opposite. So that's turning that into the reciprocal would be this. That's kind of like dividing by 3. But let's call it 1/3 times x. That's the inverse. Well, we need to apply that 1/3, the inverse, to this number as well. Furthermore, we need to switch the sign to positive. And so our x is going to be transformed this way. 1/3 x plus 2/3. Another common approach to this question is typically called factoring out the b. This parameter is often called b. So if we were to factor out the b, but ensure that you don't change this part of the equation, you're factoring out 3 on the outside, and of course 3 times x makes x. But in order to make negative 2, you've got to divide by the 3. Okay, so we factored out the b, and the distribution would leave these two equivalent. And then here you would, again, take the inverse of the b, multiply it to x, and then right here is we would switch the negative to a positive, and the work of transforming the, I guess sometimes this is called c or d, transforming the c has already been done for you. It's 2/3. So the answers will be the same for the mapping of the x.